So I don't know if it's just me or if everybody else gets a couple of beers deep and they just want to start doing science projects. I've got a bunch of Tefcel wiring here on the bench, and a number of people have asked me, well, what's the difference in this shit? Why does it cost so much? And this is MS22759/16 10 gauge red Tefcel wiring. Right, so it's fully tinned, very, very thin insulation on there. But people say, why the fuck is that so expensive? If a roll 43 feet of that shit cost you $100, you can go to Princess Auto and get that entire rack of shit for $20 when it's on sale. Well, sure you can, but this is where the science projects come in, right? So grab yourself a set of cutters, right? These won't even work, so you gotta get the fucking goddamn tin snips out to cut some of this Tefcel shit. Oh, fuck. So there's one piece of that. And now let's grab the other fucking cutters here. Let's get a piece of this the old 10 gauge off the rack here. Right. So we'll take that. Now, let's see if we can strip a piece of this real quick. So there we go. The old copper strand Princess Auto shit. Notice how easily that's like bending and fraying. Well, you can't even do that with this wire. Like, it doesn't, you have to like manipulate it. So anyways, we got the old wire. Let's get them side by side. Let's see if we can trying to grab them both so we can test them evenly. So they're both gripped at the end, and that fucker's hot. So we're gonna see what happens. Let's put that in front of there for a couple of seconds. Oh, I see smoke. I smell smoke. Oh. A couple of flames wisping up. So that's definitely been in front of there for a couple of seconds. And this thing's no joke. Like, I think that's over 1250 degrees Fahrenheit. So imagine your exhaust in your turbocharged car glowing red hot. Well, if you have these wires anywhere near your shit, oh my god, that's what's gonna happen. That Princess Auto copper PVC shit, it's gonna fail on you. It's gonna let you down. These were side by side in front of the heater, and this one is completely failed. Like, that's done. Tefcel wiring, like, I don't want to touch that. It's not even any damage to the sheathing. Like, literally not even damaged. Not bubbled, not blistered, not charred, not blackened. Nothing. Side by side with that Princess Auto PVC shit that's now turned into carbon on my desk. So, what's the difference between Tefcel and Princess Auto shit? Well, probably your car starting on fire. Science projects.